Imagine, if you will, a world where, at the crucial Battle of Waterloo in 1815, Napoleon Bonaparte had emerged victorious. This single event could have dramatically reshaped the entire geopolitical landscape of Europe, and indeed, the modern world. Let's delve into this alternate timeline. Napoleon, having bested the forces led by Wellington, consolidates his power over Europe. With Britain weakened by this defeat, French influence skyrockets, leading to a prolonged period of Napoleonic dominance across the continent. Without the defeat at Waterloo, there is no Congress of Vienna, no redrawing of the European map to balance power among nations. Instead, Napoleon implements his vision for a unified Europe under French hegemony. The spread of revolutionary ideas accelerates under his reign, with concepts like liberty and equality taking deeper root far beyond France's borders. Now picture this: as Napoleonic laws unify Europe legally and economically, the Industrial Revolution flourishes even earlier and more robustly on the continent. With easier trade routes and a common legal framework, technological innovations spread rapidly across Europe without usual nationalistic barriers that historically impeded progress. In our alternative timeline, let us also consider how America might react to this stronger, united Europe. Perhaps seeing the success of Napoleonic governance and its emphasis on central authority and economic integration, American leaders might adopt similar strategies more aggressively in their own nation-building efforts. The Monroe Doctrine might never come to pass as sealed, as foreign policy shifts towards cooperation with Napoleonic Europe rather than opposition. Fast forward to World War I. It may never happen as we know it, because without the fragmented and competitive state system in Europe created by the Congress of Vienna, the tensions that ignited such large-scale conflict might not accumulate in the same way. Our world today could potentially face entirely different global challenges and alliances. Consider how technology would advance, with early 19th century Europe already heavily industrialized thanks to a consolidated effort under Napoleonic rule. By now, we might have been exploring deeper into space or mastering completely sustainable energy solutions, since our focus wouldn't be diffused by recurring wars that historically drain resources. Finally, think about culture and the language. French becomes not just the lingua franca of diplomacy, but also of technology and commerce throughout Europe and beyond. English might remain predominant in America, but would interact much more intricately with French influence globally. In conclusion, victory at Waterloo could have seen Napoleon not only extend his reign, change the cultural fabric and technological trajectory of our world dramatically, painting a picture of an alternate modern day where European unity came centuries before European Union. Demonstrate convergent cultures, perhaps achieving broader understanding among different peoples through shared governance and collective advancement.